Hello everyone, this is Rasid Khan from LPM Public School Gola Bazar, your science teacher, and class 8 will have to started the chapter number 8, which is given as reproduction. So the reproduction is what actually? Reproduction is the process in which when the male and female organism fuse together to form a new offspring. This is called reproduction. Reproduction is the process in which male and female gamete fuse together to form a new individual. This one is called the reproduction. By the reproduction, they can be able to reproduce their young ones of their offspring, you can say. How the reproduction happen in male and in case of a human being, this can be helped by the means of fertilization. And what is the stage of fertilization? What is the fertilization? Fertilization, that means what? The fusion of male and a female gamete is called fertilization. And by the process of fertilization, when the new offspring or the new individual takes place into the existence, this one is called as a reproduction. Here we can say reproduction. Reproduction takes place by the two means. The first one is asexual, second one is sexual mean of reproduction. Asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. What are the asexual reproduction? We have to study about asexual reproduction. What are these actually? Asexual reproduction, as you know, the A is here for absence. Absence of what? Sexual organ. Absence of sexual organ or sexual part. That means there is no male and female parts involved. There is no male and female parts involved. The offspring produces get in existence by, it is come in existence by a single parent. This one is called asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which the offspring or the new individual come into the existence without involving the male and a female organ or a male and female gametes. It can be only come into the existence by the single parents. So the asexual reproduction is the type of reproduction in which new individual takes place by the means of a single type of their parents, and new individual come to in existence. The asexual reproduction takes place by the two means. First one is budding, and second one is binary fission. So two types of reproduction over there is asexual reproduction might be two types. What are these? These are first called as budding and second one called as binary fission. Binary fission. This is all about the asexual reproduction. So what does it mean about that, the budding? Budding is the type of a reproduction in which a complete organism produces the bud from its body, and these buds are detached from its body and exist into the new individual, and when it can be exist into the new individual, it can be form the self dependent of their organism. So we can say, in case of a budding, when there is a mature or a complete organism form the budding, like in hydra, you can say in case of a hydra, if there is bud takes place, this is bud, and by the detection, this bird is detached from the previous one, and now this can be developed into new individual. This one is called as the budding. By the budding, the new individual takes place or come into the existence, and this process is come to the existence for the asexual reproduction, which is takes place in case of a hydra, you can say. In hydra, there is at the bottom level, there is a bud formation takes place. This buds formation takes place after being some time. That birds are detached from the parents one, and now these birds get matured or growth and develop into the new individual, and through which it can be formed the new individual, and this individual is germinated and it can be self-dependent. So this is the process, asexual process, by which the new individual forms without involving the two parents, and hence it is called as a asexual means of reproduction, that is budding. Next one is what? Next one is binary fission. Binary fission takes place in case of amoeba, you can say. You have seen the amoeba. This is the amoeba. When there is a binary fission takes place. Why? Because it is binary. Binary means two equal half. And fission matlab to break or break down. Breaking down into two equal half is called as a binary fission. So in equal parts it has to be divided. So this can move like that, and their nucleus is also divided into equal half, and again this can form the two new individual, and from the new one each can develop and growth into the mature this is the new individual. So here is the partitions takes place, and through which the new individual forms, and this one produces the new organism. Now these form the new organism, through which a single parent, from a single parent, when these two types, these two equal half part of a amoeba developed, this can be said to what? The binary fission. This is a type of a asexual means of reproduction. So it is the asexual means of reproduction by which the single parent, through which an individual takes place into the new organism. So this is all about that the asexual means of reproduction through which the binary fission and as well as the budding. Next one is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, you can see sexual reproduction always takes place in case of a human being or some other animals, but the most importantly you have to know what it is. The sexual reproduction occur always occur in pair or might be in two parents. In two parents are involved of two parents. These two parents may form a new organism. By the formation of two male and female, there is a two different and a distinct type of organism required, male and female. Male and female. For the formation of these two types, these organisms, we have to go through the two type of the male and a female gamete is required for formation of a new organism or new individual. New individual only takes place when there is a male and a female gametes are made together, and then the new one is formed. So we can say sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which always a two opposite gender is required, two opposite sexes is required, that is male and female as well. From the male parents there is a male parent there is a male gamete, from the female parents there is a female gametes. These two gametes, the male gametes and female gametes, are met together, and the resultant through which a new individual takes place. This such type of a reproduction is called as a sexual reproduction. So we can say the sexual reproduction always involve the two parents, the male as well as the female. By the male parents there is a, by the female parents or male parent, both of these that have to produce their male gamete in the form of ovum. Female produces ovum and male produces sperm. So the ovum, this is ovum, and here is sperm. When these two are required to come into the contact, then you can say the फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिंगल, ये सिंगल होता है इसलिए इसको हम लोग सिंगल को हैप्लॉइड सेल कहेंगे, और जब ये दोनों मिल जाएंगे तो ये क्या कहलाएगा, डिप्लॉइड सेल कहलाएगा। ये मेल गैमेट, ये फीमेल गैमेट दोनों मिल गए तो क्या बनाया, जाइगोट बनाया। और जाइगोट क्या होता है, मेल एंड फीमेल का दोनों का होता है, इसलिए इसको डिप्लॉइड सेल कहते हैं। ये जाइगोट कब बना, क्या प्रोसेस है, बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन। फर्टिलाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस थ्रू विच व्हेन द मेल गैमेट्स are fused together with the female gametes. When male and female gametes fuse together, this process is called as a fertilization. This process is termed as fertilization. By the process of fertilization, the male gametes and female gametes are fused together. Next one is sexual reproduction always takes place by the means of a male genital organ and through the female genital organ. We will discuss later onto this topic to the next day. Thank you for being here.